Time check!
Sawadee ka, Tukon! Hello everyone, this is Teacher Adet. A day in my life as a fresh graduate from college and now as a public school teacher in Thailand. Get ready with me, let's go! Good morning everyone!
Thank you.
Bon appetit, meow! Good morning, Teacher Maria! Energy wa! Makeup time! Morning! Ohayo gozaimasu! Morning, Teacher Jen! And I'm done with my makeup. Thank you. Thank you. I love you. Good morning, teachers. Ning kalaba. Bon appetit! Cheers! Cheers! Bon appetit! Cheers! Everybody stand up, please. Good morning, class. Please sit down. You're welcome. Alright, please sit properly and listen to me carefully. Our topic for today is all about riddles. Does anyone have an idea what riddles are? What is riddles or riddle? Anyone from the class? Okay, let's start. All together read. Intentionally. Okay, that are the two types of riddles, conundrum and enigma. Okay, let's start. Let's try. Question number 1. What must be broken before you can use it? Raise your right hand. What must be broken before you can use it? Try to guess. I'm tall when I'm young, and I'm short when I'm old. What am I? Okay, candle. What is full of holes but still holds water? Huh? Again. Very good. It's sponge. Everybody stand up, please. Goodbye and thank you, class. Everybody stand up, please. Good morning, class. 25, 20 ha? Kau Kritsanopong. 11. Chukon. 16. Horn Nat Danay. 21. Folk Tichin. 9. Game Jirapat. Pit Titisorn. 19. Per Panawat. Per. 16. Siphok. Siphok. Guy Panupong. Frame Siarat. Very good, Frame. Baikau. Wasutasani. Muay Pachayapon. 29. Mina Samitanan. 36. Pink Virada. 23. Nam Nampet. Baimon Pastapon. 26. Keo Kitamada. Pewa. Chapukan. 14. Ink Natanan. Pang Paritapon. 11. Nay Sarunya. 19. Sure Orapan. 10. Pass all the papers. Pass all the papers. Everybody stand up, please. Goodbye and thank you, class. Everybody stand up, please. Good afternoon, class. Please sit down. You're welcome. Everybody stand up, please. Goodbye and thank you, class. Bon appetit. Cheers. Cheers. Everybody stand up, please. Good afternoon, class. Please sit down. Everybody stand up, please. Goodbye and thank you, class. Everybody stand up, please. Good afternoon, class. Good afternoon, teacher. Please sit down. Thank you, teacher. You're welcome. 50 points. Hasip kanin. Everybody stand up, please. Goodbye and thank you, class. Bye, teacher. Bye, teacher. Sayonara. Goodbye, teacher Jai Chen. Goodbye, teacher Maria.